Good morning. How can I help you?
Good morning. I want to ask about the citizenship class.
Sure. Are you interested in joining the class?
Yes, I need for the citizenship test.
We are running a citizenship class on Fridays.
Sorry, I don't understand. Can you say it again, please?
On Fridays, we have a citizenship class.
Thank you. What time is the class?
The class is from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m.
Okay. How long is the course?
It goes for 10 weeks.
Sorry, I don't understand. Can you say it again, please?
The course is 10 weeks.
Okay, I understand, thank you. How much does it cost?
It's free. You don't have to pay.
Free. That's good.
Please bring your ID and proof of residency.
Okay. Can I enroll today?
Yes, you can. Please fill out this form.
Sure. Thank you very much.
Great. Thank you so much.
Can I start next Friday?
Yes, that's fine. The class starts at 10 a.m. It's in room 5, level 2, on the right. There's a lunch break at 12:30, for half an hour.
Great. Thank you very much.
No worries. See you next Friday.
Thank you. Goodbye. Have a good day.
Goodbye.